Proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, or PNF for short, is a type of stretching that uses your inverse stretch reflex to improve a range of motion, which is a fancy way of saying tense your muscles and then relax and then push them further. Here's how we can use this technique to stretch your hamstrings. Firstly, get yourself a bench or a chair or your bed, something sturdy that you can put your heel up onto. Then from there, what Jenni's going to do is square her hips off and lean herself forwards until she gets a nice stretch in her hamstrings. So a bit of a soft bend in the knee here. She's going to hold this for 10 full seconds, breathing really relaxed. And once that 10 seconds are up, what she's going to do is contract and create more tension in the hamstrings by dragging her heel into the bench here. She holds that for 10 seconds with about 70% effort. So she's shaking a little bit. Once that 10 seconds is up, she then breathes out and she lets herself sink down a little bit further. And then she holds this for 10 seconds, breathing relaxed. Don't forget that. Then we go back to our contract again. We squeeze, we get as much tension as we can. We then breathe out again and we try and sink down a little bit further into the hamstring, improving that range of motion. And then one final one, we pull in, we contract everything nice and tight. And then after that 10 seconds, we then relax ourselves and sink down further. You're going to repeat this on both sides and you're going to do this for around 2 to 4 sets. Don't push through any pain, just try and get a little bit of improvement. And the more you do this, the more you'll find that your starting position starts to improve as well. What we're doing is using the muscle to get the muscle to relax. So whenever you build up that tension and make everything feel really stiff and tense, then you relax that, it goes, okay then. And that's what allows you to sink further. So it's an awesome technique. You'll be able to push further over time. You'll be able to increase how much tension you're using as you improve your technique with it. And if you find that you start to cramp at any point, just shake the legs off and get straight back into it again. You can also do this technique with a partner, so check out this video if you want to know more about the awesome PNF technique.